Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Two powerful AIs. One is the internet's favorite, the other, a beast in the shadows. Today we compare ChatGPT versus Kobold AI to see which one truly rules in writing, coding, and creative control. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using Edge browser to test these prompts. What they are. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is known for its conversational intelligence, coding help, and research support. Kobold AI, on the other hand, is an open-source, offline tool built for roleplay, storytelling, and total customization. Features: ChatGPT, great for general users, students, coders, and content creators. Kobold AI, ideal for writers, novelists, and role-players. The best part? Kobold works offline, and you can run different models like GPT-J, GPT-Neo, or even local LLAMA setups. Let's see some use cases for this AIs. First, let's see about ChatGPT. Here I'm entering prompt as a knight wakes up in a strange land filled with robots. Let's now see what it generates. ChatGPT gives a structured story with a clean narrative. Now it's time for Kobold. Here I'm entering the same prompt. Now let's see what this generates. Kobold AI goes full RPG mode with immersive, chaotic, and highly stylized storytelling. Verdict? Kobold wins for creativity. ChatGPT wins for clarity. Now it's time for coding prompt. Here I'm entering prompt as write a Python code for simple calculator which can perform arithmetic calculations. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. For coding, ChatGPT is miles ahead. Real-time suggestions, bug fixing, and explanations. It's a developer's dream. Now Kobold turn. Here I'm entering the same prompt. Let's see what Kobold generates. Kobold's focus isn't coding, it's storytelling, so don't expect clean code from it. So, winner for coding, ChatGPT. If you're a writer, world builder, or RPer, go with Kobold AI. If you're a coder, researcher, or general user, ChatGPT is your weapon. Both are powerful. The best one depends on you. Which AI would you choose? Tell us in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.